Welcome to Kharis Tutorials. I'm Simeon. I'm sure we are enjoying our stay home. I'll be taking us on this overlap dress today, and I'll be using two different fabrics, my black and the orange material. The measurements we're going to be working with are the length, that's the under bust and the full length. We need the shoulder, the sleeve measurement, bust circumference, under bust circumference, the waist circumference, and the hip circumference measurements. If this is your first time on our channel, kindly click the subscribe and click the bell to get notified each time we upload a new video. And don't forget, we upload our cutting and sewing tutorial separately, so if you're watching the cutting, you also need to watch how to sew. Let's quickly move to the cutting table. Welcome back. What I have here is my normal measurement, my normal length. This is the length of my gown, and the folded fabric I folded using the hip measurements. Then I took out my normal body's measurements, where I have my shoulder divided by 2. I measured down 8.5 to get my bust measurement. Then the bust measurement is just my normal measurement divided by 4. This is a stretchy fabric, so no allowance. So the normal bust measurement divided by 4, my under bust circumference measurement divided by 4, waist divided by 4, hip divided by 4, and -1 at the base. So I'm going to cut out the same thing for the back, since it's not going to have zipper allowance. So I'm also going to measure out the neck design, and with the width measurement of 2.5 and front depth, the width is 2.5, front depth is 3.5 inches, and I'm going to have a round shape. And the back depth of 1 inch. I'm also going to slant with 1 inch. So still working on the front. This is what I have. So I'm going to place this to cut out my plain fabric. This is my plain fabric, and I'm going to use this to cut it out. So I'm just going to fold and place it on it. Now this is my front, and this is my plain fabric. I'm going to place it on the front, and this is where I want it to stop. So I'm just going to pin it down. So I'm going to turn it to the other side so I can trace out the other shape. Now from here, I'm going to draw out you can always have your desired shape from of the plain fabric. just go ahead and give it a design. So I'm going to sketch out my own design. So like I said, just draw out your design and then trace it out. You have to be careful while cutting, so you won't go and cut the main fabric. So this is what I have now, and we'll move to the sleeve. I'm not going to show us the cutting of the sleeve. It's just a simple sleeve, and you can do well to make your desired sleeve. Welcome back. I have the front and I have the back. First, I need to hem the edges of my pattern, and I've done that using my hemming gum. I have a tutorial on how to use hemming gum. You can watch to know how to go about it. After folding in my edges, the next thing I'm going to do is to join the shoulder and bring out the shape. And since I didn't have any allowance, remember I told us in our last video that while cutting that I'm using a stretchy fabric. So I'll just join the shoulder and bring out the shape from the sides.
Simeon classic on deck.
Next, I'm going to turn the neck using my bias binding. So I'm going to start sewing from the front. I'm going to start by sewing from the front and notch it around to top stitch on the bias, then I'll fold it in. The neck I'm going to hem using my needle and thread. That's my hand needle. Next is to add my sleeve, which I've already joined. So I'll bring the joint parts together, the one on my dress and the one on the sleeve. I'll bring it together and I'll join it around. the next thing I'm going to do is to fold in the base, and after that this is my belt. I'll turn it out, and I'm going to attach the belt to one side. Is going to be on my pattern like this, and the other side of the belt is going to come in between. I'm going to open up space here, little space, so that it will be inside. But first I need to turn it, so let's do that. So this is going to serve as my belt, and I guess this is the last thing to do on our dress. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram at Afriq TV. Follow me on Facebook and on Instagram at Kharis Kreations. And till I see you next class, stay cool, stay safe.